Namaste to all, welcome to Lively Homestyle. Nature has given many beautiful things to us in the form of sunlight, plants of forest, animals, etc. Among the plants, King of Bitters is one of the medicinal plants which is underrated. It is anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antibacterial, and the list goes on. So today I decided to make its decoction as my morning drink. Just add water, some jeera or cumin seeds and boil it for 10 minutes on low to medium flame. Strain it and have. These are waterleaf plants. We call it as Nelabasle. These leaves are also loaded with nutrients and minerals. It tastes just like spinach. Let's make sambar using these leaves. In a sauce pot, take washed moong dal, add tomato and let it boil. Meanwhile, chop the leaves. In a pan, take some oil, add onion, red chili, chana dal, urad dal, garlic, curry leaves and fry. Add fresh coconut and roast for a minute. After cooling, grind to a smooth paste. Once the dal is half cooked, add chopped leaves. Add salt. Once the leaves are cooked, add ground paste and let it boil. Adjust the consistency by adding water. Adjust the salt. For the tadka, take some coconut oil, add mustard, red chili, asafoetida and add this to the sambar. Serve it with steamed rice. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos or recipes in the future.